Hi Mike, I'm here to show you how to use the academic calendar on the Front Range website. Just should be a couple seconds of a video here, not very long. So the link I gave you brings you to this page. You see fall semester still at the top. I'm sure that will be changed in the next week or so. Everyone's switching over from fall to spring semester, but with the holidays in the middle, that'll take a few days and a little extra time. So you'll see that the spring semester academic calendar is at the bottom. And your specific question was, how do I see the more specific deadlines? Well, let me point out to you before I show you that there are some good dates here. For instance, spring break date is here. You'll want to put that on your syllabus. And just so you know, that does align with the St. Vrain Valley School District spring break. The classes you're teaching will have the same spring break as Front Range. If you want to see the more specific deadlines, you can click on any of these links. The See More, Add, Drop deadlines. This takes you to the same page. And for fall, I just want to show you very quick. For fall, it was the same. There's the same link here multiple times because we have these different course pacings for students now. And so the link takes you to the same chart that shows the specific drop deadline. So if you click here, it takes you to the Add Drop Deadline page. Then you have to click on the little radio button there to extend the details of the dates. So our students will be working according to a full semester. So even though you are starting class on the week of January 7th, we do start the College Now classes when the students return from winter break in the high school. So you'll have to start class the week of January 7th, but the students will still work with these dates here because it's a full semester. And it's so brilliant in this spring semester that you have so much extra time to cover content with your students, and maybe even be able to embed some professionalism and or critical thinking activities so that students can practice some different skills in addition to just looking at your course content. So here are the deadlines for dropping classes for students. And while I have you in the video, I have your attention in the video, you know, the high school students, we treat them a little bit differently. You know, we want them to have the same college experience, but their enrollment is dependent upon the school district allowing them to take this course. The school district is paying for their tuition. So it's not a good idea to just tell students, drop the class, you're not doing well. Do what you did so well last semester, Mike, which is to communicate with the high school counselors when you are first aware that a student is struggling as early in the semester as possible so that a plan can be put in place for that student. So you'll remember that the high school counselor at Erie is Julie Pullman, and the high school counselor at Frederick High School is named Carrie Benecke, and we will meet her on Wednesday. And I'm going to email you right now. The counselor at Frederick has asked that we show up at 1:30 on Wednesday. So I'll get that meeting invite emailed out to you, and now you know where to find the dates for add and drop dates and withdrawal dates. And then you see this link here for even more academic calendar dates. I wonder where this is going to take us. I'm not sure, so let's wait and see. I've clicked on the link and the computer's thinking. It just takes to the academic calendar, so this is not as helpful. But I'm just going to hit my back button. So remember, this is the add drop deadline page that I showed you before. And if I hit my back button one more time, 2 more times since I showed that detail, it'll take me back to the spring semester dates, the academic calendar, and that was the original link I sent you. All right, hope that's helpful. And let me know if you need anything other than the appointment to go see the folks out at Frederick High School on Wednesday. Thanks, Mike.